Day 2? Day 2, full day today.
There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it.
On our way to London Eye.
You wanna take the green bus?
There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life, it's been up and down, but always comes back to you. Didn't ask for any favors. It seems too late. Love is strong, but some things you don't want to pass on. Didn't ask for any favors. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it.
We're about to get on the London Eye. The line's not too bad, it just looks intense, but you can reserve a time slot. And once you get here, it takes about maybe 20 minutes. A lot of people are coughing, that's why I have my mask on.
Should I find it? Oh, Father, please come to my rescue. I was caught up in your landscape. Please tell me, now what am I supposed to do? I was caught up in your landscape. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? There's nothing wrong with that. Trippy, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it?
Trying Japanese food in London. This was katsu sando. Buttery and crispy bread. Vegetable katsu curry bowl. This was piping hot. Oh, very good. Mushroom katsu 10 out of 10. Korean wings were sweet and spicy. Matcha French toast, an 11 out of 10.
Espresso or espresso? Espresso. That's espresso.
Oh, this was closed yesterday, diba? Headed to? Oh my god. It's cold. It's very cold. Oh. Thanks for guiding us. I just followed you. Oh, okay. Thank you. Me? Gonna get coffee. Very tired. Slept for like 3 hours max, probably. Oh, jet lag sucks. Okay, bye. We have the Harry Potter tour today for Jody, the ultimate Harry Potter fan. Must do. Right there. Oh, it's cool.
So any one of you coming here for the first time ever, this is going to be a very special experience for you.